Hi there, I'm Jourdan Hathaway.
My name is Gretchen Jacobi.
Rafael Castaneda, the Vice President of Workforce Development and Social Impact.
I am the head of our enterprise business.
I'm the Chief Marketing Officer at General Assembly.
I don't think there's reason for alarm when it comes to AI, but I do think that if we look at it as an opportunity to enhance our own current world and spheres, we should be excited about that. And at the same time, we should be thinking about it has the potential to be either very constructive or very destructive. It's important on how we use that and agree as just a global community on what's the right way to use that tool.
How to get the most out of it is going to just have it land flat. That organizations really need to be thinking about how to provide the skills to use the technology.
When I look across the readiness of not only my teams and the marketers of today, but frankly myself, there is a tremendous need for critical upskilling in this area. It's a great time to be a marketer. It's a great time to be in the tech workforce because the amount of opportunity that I see for those of us who are going to go that extra mile and upskill in this area is going to be extraordinary. The applications of this are going to be vast and great, and it's exciting.